So, guys, when it comes to our family cars nowadays, we have been so blessed because competition is really rising, right? And a lot of manufacturers, these car manufacturers, are really, leveling up, stepping up their games, giving us fully packed features on our family cars. And when we're talking about two of the most high tech or fully packed family cars today, what I have in mind is the Toyota Veloz and the Hyundai Stargazer X. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be discussing which of these two has the not necessarily the more tech, but which will be more usable to you or which will be more enjoyable to you. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. All right. So welcome again, everyone. And this is featured comment from this lady right here. Let's make it bigger. Yeah, this content is actually inspired by Madam Rizo06. Sabi niya, mas marami daw tech si Stargazer on one of our Veloz video. Kindly check out my Toyota Veloz playlist. For those who don't know, uh, yours truly have been blessed with the Toyota Veloz. That is why I'm very eager to share with you guys, especially the buyers, kung alin dito sa dalawa or alin sa mga family cars in recent times should you get so that I could share my input as well. So ayan, that's a comment. Mas marami daw tech Stargazer. So tignan natin if that's true. And then a featured comment, shout out to Sir Mr. Joel. Yan, good info. Thanks. You're always welcome, guys. It's a great pleasure to share these things to you and hopefully help you in your car buying decision. So keep them coming. Let me know which of these family cars you have been, choosing, and I'll be really glad to feature your comments as well. So let's start, guys, with the exterior. Okay, as usual, please check my reviews of these family cars. Yan. As you can see, exterior wise, which one do you like? Um, I guess for me, I'll be really brutally honest, guys. I really didn't consider the Stargazer in terms of comparing the family seater segment. That's because of the looks. That's just me. But when I started to post my Toyota Veloz content, so many of you guys have been talking about it, Stargazer, 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 and um, if you guys know me, aesthetics or the looks is very important to me, right? So when you guys keep telling me about Stargazer and the tech, ako naman being a very big fan of technology, being a very big fan of features in terms of your car, because you drive that every day, you need to have tech is just really it means to add comfort to your life, right? So that's contrary for those who don't believe on technology, you don't like parang sa inyo mas mainam talaga just simple, no tech, walang sakit sa ulo in the long run, and that's really good. That's really good for you. And to each his own. I'm just the kind of person who really wants to enjoy things at the moment. And parang ang style ko kasi, guys, I don't wanna keep cars. I wanna hopefully upgrade in time naman. So let me know, guys, which one of the spectrum are you? Are you the kind of the person who will be willing to risk to enjoy more in life, or to stay safe and avoid all of those mga sakit sa ulo? I'm curious to know. Let me know in the comments. So going back, but this video is for those who are willing to risk it all. So yeah, going back to the exterior looks, which one of these two looks better for you guys? Honestly, for me, Stargazer looks really modern and advanced, very futuristic, right? And I'll be showing you pictures in a moment. Very ano lang, quick lang, dadaanan lang natin yung kanilang mga looks. For me, ang ganda nung mags ni Hyundai Stargazer. So if you want something that is very, unique on the roads, very modern, Stargazer is for you. And then if you want something that is still elegant, luxurious looking, SUV-ish look, Veloz is for you. Stargazer is more on the family car talaga siya. May parang van look siya. So if you want that kind of look, then Stargazer is for you. Okay, let's talk about the variants. The variants that we'll be featuring today would be for the Toyota Veloz, the V, top of the line. Still, this is gonna be a battle of top of the line cars. So for you, for your Hyundai Stargazer, you have the GLS X, right? Top of the line versus top of the line. Let's see which one of these two will be the one for you. For your color options, guys, you have here four color options for the Veloz and three color options for the Stargazer X. You have white, silver, and red. For Veloz, you have white, purplish, silver, black, and still you have also red. So you have more color options plus one dito si color black. Walang black si Stargazer X as far as I know. It would have been great if I really don't have a choice. I would choose the black if ever, and a white is always a solid choice as well for me. So ang gusto ko dito kay Stargazer X, guys, is for those who are like me who love the color white option. I love white with this bigger cars, right? For SUV looking or maybe seven seaters MPVs, I like color white basically. But for the Stargazer, as far as I know, I don't see any additional payment. It may be not as white as the Veloz, but at least if you're a fan of white, you don't have to add extra money for the Stargazer X. Okay, we have a comment here from MP. Exterior wise, okay, so you wanted to talk about the exterior. Okay, so exterior wise, I also prefer Veloz. Sorry, Stargazer X just feels really spacious, maluwag na ang Veloz, pero I think mas maluwag pang SG dahil mukha siyang van. Yeah, that's gonna be a part of what we're gonna be talking about. So I agree, looks goes to Veloz, but there must be a reason why it the form factor is like this, right? So mukha talaga siyang van, like I said a while ago. Okay, going back with your variants, guys. You know the Toyota Veloz, they have added. I mean, they have a price bump. Medyo nag-increase si Toyota, but not that much, I believe. Hindi naman masyadong malaki for me. Compared before, 1265 lang to dati. If you have watched our previous video, but now 1271 na yung white pearl. But if you don't want the white pearl, the other colors as I mentioned, ito lang yung top of the line ni Veloz. Okay, same with the lower variants. Do you think it's still worth it, guys, for the Toyota Veloz? Let me know. On the other hand, Stargazer X, 1,348,000. 1,300,000 is si Stargazer. Si Veloz, dito pa rin siya sa 1.2 million mark, even yung white pearl. So, with this being the price point of Stargazer, guys, you must really want something in this Stargazer X. Okay, that's what we're going to be talking about. And then here are your other options. What I noticed about the Stargazer X, guys, the good thing here is meron po siyang choice for the six-seater. And that means, correct me if I'm wrong, that means para siyang Innova. May parang captain seats, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So that's really cool. But if you want the premium, ironically, it's called premium, but for me, the premium really is here, the Stargazer X. Again, I have reviews on this two family cars. Kindly watch it na lang so that you can reference if you agree. The interior is really premium here for the Stargazer X. Okay, and then yeah, you have your lowest um, variants. So price may vary. Always inquire to your dealership. Okay. Again, this is the price of the variants that we'll be featuring today, top of the line. Okay, let's start with the dimensions. Ito na. So guys, for the Toyota Veloz, lamang lang siya sa height, just like the one from the BRV a while ago that we talked about. And for the Stargazer X, obviously you have longer and wider body frame. That is why ito yung sinabi kanina na it really is more spacious. When I actually tried on the Stargazer X, honestly, medyo ano naman, medyo minimal lang talaga. But when I actually rode the second row and the third row seats, I was impressed. Maybe I can give it really to the Stargazer X, yung luwag in terms of the second and third row seats. Really. Pero guys, let me tell you sa Veloz talaga, you will really feel the spaciousness as well with the Veloz. That's honestly for me. But you can really dama mo talaga yung difference with the Stargazer X. If that's really the space is really what you want with the van look, Stargazer X, you should go for that, right? But not bad rin naman si Veloz, honestly. Engine, you have similar, very similar engine, but here is the difference, guys. The maximum output and the torque. Really, Stargazer Hyundai takes pride on the power and the fuel efficiency actually of the Stargazer X. That's also an important factor for you, the power and the fuel efficiency with the IVT. As you can see here, intelligent variable transmission, yun yung pakulo ni Hyundai. So they really are proud of this power with ano talaga, fuel efficiency. So that's really good to hear, knowing that you'll be maybe riding more than 4 people here in this car. So that's really good, right? And then on the other hand, for the Velos guys, don't count it out because it really is also very satisfactory in terms of my experience with fuel consumption and with the power as well. That's really good enough. I believe factor also a very big factor is the skill as well and the knowledge of the driver. But with the power mode of the Toyota Veloz, I find that in my normal driving experiences, whether city and um, road trips, which you can watch here in my channel, so far no problem with the Veloz. Okay, for your drivetrain, both front wheel drive. Okay, for those who don't like front wheel, you want rear, you don't have that here. Front wheel lang talaga meron tayo for most of the seven-seater category. Fuel tank capacity, guys, sobrang lamang ni Veloz with plus 3 liters of fuel you can bring with you. Okay, that's a little bit more peace of mind. And then here, tablado si Veloz tsaka si Stargazer X here. Both have LED headlights and both have halogen fog lamps. I know that many people like halogen fog lamps as well for very foggy situations. That's also good for this. All right. So what I like about the Stargazer X is yung kanyang DRL, daytime running light dito, guys. Yan. Napaganda tingnan yan pagka you see one in the roads. Wheels, tabla rin naman. Most of this big four with the family cars segment, they have 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels. So pagandahan na lang talaga. Yan. So I also like the design of the Stargazer X. Okay, ground clearance ito. Not much of a difference actually. 190 for Veloz, 200 for Stargazer X. I don't know if that's gonna be doing much of a difference. Sobrang late lang yan, but for me, like I mentioned with the BRV video, no problem at all. Nakapagsulong po kami ng baha. Recently lang, last week yata, sobrang lakas ng ulan. But thankfully, I didn't know that baha na pala yun, sumulong na pala kami. But yeah, I was really amazed that okay na to guys, si Veloz actually, with the ground clearance. Unless if it's gonna be a BRV or an expander that parang yun talaga napakalaking, medyo malaking difference, I believe. Okay, so side mirrors, power adjustable, power folding as far as I know. This is really non-negotiable. Infotainment system, mas lamang ng konti si Veloz, 9-inch. And then 8 inches lang for Stargazer X in terms of the infotainment screen. Okay, that's not gonna make much difference, but yeah, CarPlay na naman, multimedia, lipat-lipat ng songs. That's the 8-inch is very good enough. Okay, while we are going on, let me just give a shout out to Melvin. Good comparo. Thank you so much, Melvin. Appreciate you being here. Shout out then for all that will be watching this on the replay. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate all of you. Ito guys, napakalaking factor nito guys. I really like this one. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto for both of these cars. Capable naman sila but sobrang laking win for the Stargazer X dahil wireless yung kanyang Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So when you get inside the Stargazer X, if you own one, automatically, boom, if you're a fan of this infotainment system, you can now access your Spotify, YouTube music, not the YouTube one. Cannot do that. But yeah, for the Velos, I guess most of you know that I found a hack for this wireless Apple CarPlay, that dongle. Meron po tayo niyan, guys. Check nyo na lang sa ating playlist, Best Car Accessories playlist. I have a dongle, and you can also check the links on my homepage. Nandun po yung wireless CarPlay dongle natin. But overall, you don't need to buy that if you have the Stargazer X. Napaka gandang advantage po niyan. This one, wireless charging. For me, I'm very proud that Velos has this wireless charging compared to its competitors. But Stargazer X, hindi po siya nagpapatalo dyan. It has a wireless charging pad. So, in terms of the functionality, I'm not sure if it really works well. But for the Velos, parang nagkaka-problem yung wireless charging pad na you need to remove the phone case. But for Stargazer X, at least you know that you have that. Okay, that's very good, very helpful. Airbags, guys, safety of your family. Obviously, both are family cars. You have 6 airbags, thankfully, compared to the other competitors on the segment. Push start system, very good. Keyless entry, I love it. Reverse camera, rear parking sensors, non-negotiable sa akin yan. And thankfully, meron. And then hill start assist, meron din sila pareho. Hindi ka nakakabahan sa mga traffic and matatarik na lugar pagka hihinto. Then roof rails, guys, meron sila pareho. Adventure ready nga, family outing ready. Speed sensing door locks, I'm so happy Stargazer X has that. All right. Warranty, guys, ito very big deal sa akin to. For me, I would really highly recommend the Stargazer X for this one if you care about the warranty. 5 years, guys. I'm sad that Toyota recently just offers 3 years warranty with their models, but they have stood on that reliability branding din naman nila kasi. So at least you have this 5 years for Stargazer X. Okay, now at this juncture, I wish that please ano na lang, guys, you just pause or take a screenshot na lang, then balikan nyo na lang kung alin dito yung mga technology that really matters to you or the factors that you really like on either of these cars. So I'm gonna be showing pictures in a bit, but let's just wait lang. Let's just go over very quickly. Okay. Saglit lang, guys, there's a problem with my display. Okay. So for your key characteristics, guys, to futuristic exterior, and then luxurious exterior naman si Toyota Veloz. All right? Just give me a second, guys. Okay. So, yan, guys. Luxurious interior with the Veloz ambient lights. Napakaganda, guys. Elegant and spacious interior for Stargazer X. I really love, guys, that it is, very premium, actually, more premium than the Veloz. If you can remember the Daihatsu issue with Toyota, from then on, guys, I really like the interior of the other competitors. If honestly, guys, premium talaga. It's just really parang medyo natalo si Toyota with other brands in terms of the interior quality. So at least you have Toyota Safety Sense with Veloz. That's also where they focused on with the costing. And then very malakas na part ni Stargazer X, guys, is yung kanyang cruise control, 'di ba? So I know a lot of you like that as well. Family car na, mas maluwag pa, then napaka convenient pa pagka highway. Lagi tayong na road trip, 'di ba? Cruise control is really good to have. Sorry, please cancel this out. Please sa ano po 'yan, sa ibang ano po 'yun, competitor. Dito na lang po tayo sa Hyundai SmartSense. Ito po yung mga features ni, Stargazer. 'Yan, rear seat alert, may parking warning pa siya, and then you also have the front, basically sensors, madaming sensors po talaga siya. Ayan, high beam assist pa, same, 'yan, mga lane keeping assist, stuff like that. You have that with the Hyundai Stargazer X. And then for the Toyota naman, 'yan, front sensors, nakaka-sense siya 'pag nagmo-move na yung vehicle in the front, auto high beam, rear, rear collision, traffic alert, and then yung kanyang 360 camera, which I always appreciate, and the blind spot monitoring as well. Okay, just a few snippets or quick look lang with these cars. Yan. What do you think of the looks, guys? Would you be someone who will buy something like this? Let me know. First row seats, ayan, driver side and passenger ni Hyundai Stargazer. Maganda naman, premium, and you also have it here. Your gear shifter is actually something that I like, guys. Napaka-unique and very modern. Still goes on with a modern vibe. And you can also see the drive modes, very accessible, and the traction control as well. And your electronic parking brakes and auto hold cup holders as well. So this is really a great family car. Sobrang match talaga sila ni Veloz. But dito lamang si Stargazer X, guys, meron siyang napakalaking pocket dito sa harap. Then another one here. If you open that up, so it looks like this. This is one of the things that I love about the Stargazer X, that for those who watched it, one of the things that I don't like about the Veloz is yung kanyang lack of storage areas. So with the Stargazer X, sobrang abundant siya po tayo dyan. Napaka-abundant with space. Okay, second row seats. And then this is another win for Stargazer X, yung kanyang parang ano dito, foldable na parang mini table with cup holder. I guess similar to with Innova talaga. So if you if you want something like the Innova, and you want to consider the price point, especially that around 1.3 Innova XE, but I'm not sure if the higher variants for the Innova, but this is really a good competition with the Innova actually. Yan, that's the rear view of the Stargazer X. Si Veloz naman, guys, yan, napaka-pogi talaga for me. Elegant, sobrang angas, and then for the rear end as well, this is how it looks like. I love the red strip, brake light strip, which really shines at night. And then for your interior, ito yung sinasabi ko. Okay naman. It looks really good. Yan, especially at nighttime, yung kanyang ambient lighting or mood lights, may color blue. And then, pasensya na sa quality, guys. I don't know what happened here, but you have electronic parking brakes and auto hold feature as well. And also the wireless charging pad right here. Okay, ayan, nag-load lang pala. So, you have this very beautiful mood lights, especially even at daytime. Still, really, you're really gonna appreciate that. And then long sofa mode, one of the greatest strengths ni Toyota Veloz. Yan, you can enjoy lying down, camping, wireless charging pad. Yan, nag-load ulit, but you get it. Okay. Lastly, 360 panoramic view. Really helps you with your angles and make sure na wala tayong mababangga. Okay. So, which one of these two, guys, do you prefer after everything? Sino bang mas marami? I believe it's not, para sa akin, hindi ko na binilang, because for me, it's more on which or how many of these features is gonna be more important to me. So, sobrang intense ng battle na to. Sobrang napaka-close talaga nung fight. Stargazer X has the features that I want. Most of the features that I want, actually, that the Veloz also has. Siguro, if I'm gonna be honest, wala lang talaga siyang panoramic view. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but walang 360 panoramic view si Stargazer, which is a non-negotiable for me in this battle. I'll choose Velos for that. But overall, guys, talagang lumalaban talaga si Stargazer X in terms, silang dalawa actually, naglalaban talaga sila with the features. So which one would you pick, guys? Please let me know in the comments section below. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first and make Jesus Christ our King, that's when we truly win in life. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for joining me in this live stream. See you in the next one. Ciao.